Hi, Tim Unkert here. In the previous video, we installed TypeScript on a Chromebook. We're going to go ahead right now and install SASS, and that's Dart SASS, just in case you're wondering. So this will allow us to, TypeScript allows us to write better JavaScript. SASS is going to allow us to write better CSS. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Now, this is going to assume, and let me clear this out. This is going to assume that you've already installed Node.js. So if you haven't installed Node.js, just watch my video on how to install TypeScript, because the first part of that, I install Node.js. And I'll include a link to that in the description below. Okay, so if we have Node installed, all we have to do to install SASS is type sudo npm install -g SASS. That's it. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Okay. And now to check to make sure that we have SASS installed, we're going to type SASS, then a space -- version. And we're going to see that we have version 1.35.1 compiled with Dart2.js. Okay. So we have now SASS installed on our computer. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed it, please like the video and subscribe and hit the bell notifications, as that really helps the channel grow and helps me continue to make videos like this. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.